Have you ever noticed how nature quietly hides the best plant food in something most people throw away? What looks like simple waste can become the secret to greener leaves, stronger roots, and beautiful blooms. Stay until the end because this easy fertilizer can transform almost any plant naturally. Take 1 liter of water and add 1 tablespoon of used coffee grounds. Coffee grounds are naturally rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, calcium, and many essential micronutrients that support healthy roots, lush green leaves, vigorous growth, beneficial soil microbes, and long-lasting flowering. Stir well for about a minute so the nutrients spread evenly through the water. Now apply this mixture directly to the soil around your plants. It is suitable for flowering plants, vegetables, herbs, indoor plants, orchids, anthuriums, roses, shrubs, and even young trees. This natural fertilizer helps wake up slow-growing plants, encourages new shoots, supports stronger roots, improves soil life, and helps plants produce more buds and vibrant flowers while keeping foliage healthy and green. Use this fertilizer once every 7 days. Remember to also give each plant the right amount of sunlight and water, because healthy care and balanced nutrition always work together for the best results. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.